Hi childrens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about this and that. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. This and that. First we are going to see this. We use this for people, animals, place or things which are near to us. We use this to talk about one thing near us. That. We use that for people, animals, place or things which are far to us. We use that to talk about one thing for us. This and that. Both these words are used singular objects. Now I am going to show you some examples. This is my friend. My friend is near to me. Because my friend is a single person. So we use this. She is near to me. So we use this. That is an elephant. Here we use that because an elephant is far from us and elephant is a single one. So we use that. This is my house. Here we use this because my house is near to me and my house is single one. So we use this here. This is a mouse. Here we use this because the mouse is near to me and the mouse is single one. So we use here this. That is an aeroplane. Here we use that because the aeroplane is far from us as well as the aeroplane is single one. So we use here that. This is a chair. Here we use this because the chair is near to me and as well as the chair is single chair. So we use here this. That is a truck. Here we use that because the truck is single one as well as the truck is far from me. So we use here that. This is a parrot. Here we use this because the parrot is near to me as well as the parrot is single one. So we use here this. That is a zebra. Here we use that because the zebra is far from us as well as the zebra is single one. So we use here that. Children, I am going to show you a worksheet. Can you answer the question? Come on, start. This is a boy or that is a boy. Tell it correctly. Yes, that is a boy. Because the boy is a single one as well as the boy is too far us. So we use that. So the sentence is that is a boy. Second one. This is a football or that is a football. Which one is correct? Yes, this is a football because the football is near to me as well as the football is single one. So we use this. So the sentence is this is a football. This is a bird or that is a bird. Which one is correct? Yes, that is a bird because the bird is far from us as well as the bird is single one. So we use here that. So the sentence is that is a bird. This is a hot dog or that is a hot dog. Which one is correct? Yes, that is a hot dog because the hot dog is far from me as well as the hot dog is only one. So we use here that. So the sentence is that is a hot dog. I hope you understand this concept. My next video is about these, those. Wait for the next video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share to my channel. Thank you.